Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. You're wondering what this is? This is my gummy jar. You see, I have a little bit of a sweet tooth. I love to eat candies. Me encanta comer dulces. In fact, I love the red ones. But you see, ya me comí todos los rojos. What? Yes, I did say me comí. No, I didn't eat myself. And with that note, I want to tell you, comer and comerse both mean to eat. However, in this video, I'm going to teach you the difference between comer and comerse. I'm going to tell you how you're going to use these verbs like a native speaker, and we're going to test your knowledge with a quiz where you have to choose between comer and comerse. Hi everyone, this is Daniela from Tommy Spanish y estoy aquí para ayudarte a hablar español de forma más natural. So, like I was telling you, comer and comerse relate to one of my favorite activities in the world, eating. However, in Spanish, we use these verbs in very specific contexts. Let me show you what I mean. We're going to start with comer, which is the easy one. So, we're going to use comer to describe what or how a person eats. And to do this, we are going to combine this verb with words like mucho, lento, despacio, aka adverbs, mucha, poca, aka adjectives, or nouns that relate to food, such as carne, dulces, or gomitas. Let me give you some examples. La bebé come muy bien. The baby eats very well. I know, she's such a sweet baby. Debes comer frutas y verduras. You must eat veggies and fruits. No room for candies there. Estoy llena porque comí mucho. I'm so full because I ate a lot. Ayer comimos mucha pizza y pasta. Yesterday we ate a lot of pizza and pasta. So as you can see with these examples, comer is used to talk about eating in a very generic way. In other words, we use it to talk about eating habits, things that we like to eat, or measure how much a person ate or eats. And yes, we are mentioning dishes, names of dishes, just like this example, pizza and pasta, but we're not giving specific amounts. Okay, this is very friendly, nobody's judging anyone. So let's see comerse. And at first glance, you can see that comerse ends with a pronominal pronoun. It's a pronominal verb. This means that it's going to work with pronominal pronouns. You probably know them as reflexives. Me, te, se, nos, and os if you're learning Castilian and Spanish. And like I like to say that in Spanish, size matters. This means that the pronominal pronoun is going to change the meaning. It's going to add a nuance that you don't have with comer. And this little nuance is very useful. It's going to help you emphasize what you're eating. You're going to talk about specific dishes and amounts. You can think about comerse like that annoying friend that never lets you forget what you eat. Right? We all have that friend. We go to eat. Ay, are you eating all of that? That's comerse, okay? So, comerse, you're going to use, obviously, the reflexive pronoun, comer, and a determiner. These are words that help you measure or articles that help you specify the dish that you're talking about. Let me give you some examples. Yo me comí todas las gomitas. I ate all the gummies. I mean, you saw my jar, it's basically empty. Laura se come las uñas. Laura bites her nails. She's probably nervous. Third one. ¿Te comiste todo el pastel? Did you eat all the cake and you didn't leave me a piece? So let me give you this for example and pay attention to this one because this one is important. Cómanse sus verduras. Kids, eat your veggies. And if you can check here, the pronoun is placed after the verb. The position of the pronoun in Spanish is going to change depending on the tense that you're using. I'm going to leave you a link on the description so you can check what I mean about this. Oh, and by the way, me comí la S en este ejemplo. I omitted the S in this example. And this is a great opportunity for me to tell you that in Spanish, we also use comerse to express that we omitted a letter in the sentence. Check again. Me comí la S. I omitted the S. So when we use comer, we're talking very friendly, nobody's judging. We're just talking about things we like to eat. Like, yo como muchos dulces. I eat a lot of candies, and I probably should stop doing that. But when we use comerse, we're a little bit judgy, and we're going to measure how much someone is eating. We're going to pay attention to what people are eating. For example, yo me comí todas las gomitas rojas. I ate all of the red gummies, okay? Check the difference. There is a big difference between these two. So now let's check how you're doing with these two verbs, and I'm going to give you a very simple quiz where you have to complete the sentence choosing between these two verbs. Let's do it. So number 1, mi perro, blank, mi tarea. You're going to conjugate this verb imperative. Number 2, Marta y Juan, blank, muy despacio. Number 3, yo, blank, 2 pedazos de pizza. Number 4, ¿qué te gusta? Blank. You're going to put this verb in infinitive. Just choose. Number 5, no, blank, carne. So leave me your answers in the comments and I'm going to give you some feedback if you need it. Before we finish this video, I want to leave you with some extra resources in case you want to go a little bit deeper into this topic. The first one is this same lesson just in Spanish, that way you get to practice your listening. And the second one is going to be a guide to pronominal verbs, verbs like comerse, so you get familiar with them and their meaning. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please hit the like button, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!